What's up, everybody? Um, I'm Sherry, and I don't know, I'm just creating video content for now. Because I feel like, God, I can't even sit this. Because I feel like I'm supposed to be doing that. Even though sometimes it feels um weird or I don't know, full of myself. Anyway, I'm just trying to be consistent because I have to find a new um, source of income. And besides the fact that I do hair, so which now obviously not that good. I did my own hair, bought some supposed to be good hair extensions, but whatever. Spent hours and hours doing my hair, like the day before yesterday, um, and I don't like it. But I don't know. I was just trying to like find something to just like keep pushing me forward. Just something. Like I've been wearing my hair in like either an afro or a high ponytail or low ponytail. That is it. Those are my options. I don't ever wear it straight or anything like that. So this is me trying to do something. But yeah. So anyway, I'm actually just pulled up to the park and I'm gonna go do some slacklining. Um, I did my yoga early this morning. And then I also did a 30-minute silent, just sitting in silence, no food, nothing, just sat in silence for a little while. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I mainly would think it's just because I don't know. It's like I don't have. I, I'm working on um, having more income. Like if I had more income, I don't know if I would be just sad right now. Or it's not that I'm even sad. I'm just kind of like pooped. Like what's happening? Here I am once again surprising myself. I thought, okay, well, if I could just pay my bills on time, then I would, I wouldn't even feel like this. And now that I have pretty much everything I paid on time this month, and I still kind of feel like, so I think it is just like actually having money so that I could just be. What would I do if I had the money I think I need? Definitely would first of all go get one of those IV therapies because I'm always freezing cold, even when it's nice out. I'm still freezing cold. Unless I'm like being really active, like I'm about to now. So I would go get one of those IVs to help me with my iron levels because maybe that's contributing to why I just feel like I need to take a nap all the time. Oh, and yesterday I quit smoking for good. If I be honest with myself, I've been seriously like consistently smoking um for at least 20 years now. 20. Can you believe that? I was thinking about it because my birthday was like a couple days ago, and I turned 39. And I know for sure all of my 30s, which is when I moved out here to Arizona. That was like 8 years ago, and I definitely was smoking every day for 30 since my 30s. And then maybe a little bit on and off of my 20s, but more on than off for sure. So I would say like 20 years. And it's no really, it's not really a reason to stop, except I know that I just feel like I'm just abusing it. I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is literally flame up. Before I do anything, before I take another breath, I'm like, oh, let me flame up. So I'm kind of just over it. And I wonder if it contributes to my sleepiness, my laziness. I just kind of wonder. So that's why I quit. And to really like make it real, I wrote myself like a letter. I thanked my old self for getting me up to this part and just released it saying like, I don't need it anymore. I want to see what I'm like without it. So now it's I don't know, probably like 1 in the afternoon, and all I've done so far was went to yoga. I went to bed late yesterday on an accident, so um as soon as I came home from yoga, I did my silent meditation, opened up my book that I'm reading, and then I felt sleepy, took me a nap, woke up. Today's like a holiday for us in America, so like all businesses are closed because I have some serious business I need to take care of, and I just want to get it over with. Not even sure how that's gonna go. I wish I had something more positive to say, but or something more exciting, I guess. I think the most exciting thing I'm about to do right now is go slacklining, which is fun for me. I also just finished a puzzle I was doing. It took me some months to finish because it's just me, but it was a 500 piece, but it was extremely difficult. I'll probably try and, if I learn to edit videos, I'll try and like um put the video, put a picture of the puzzle that I finished up. Um, but yeah, I'm just trying to not be sad. There's really nothing to be sad about. Like, as far as I'm concerned, everybody is like the things that would need to be good is good for me. Like, um, my son is good. My daughter and nieces and nephews are good. My family is good. Bills are caught up. Um, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what the problem is. So since I can't do any business work, I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna go slacklining first. The weather is a little bit better. It's like about 70 now. So after I go slacklining, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go hiking. Cause what else is there to do? Outside of I'm gonna read my book too. I got this book that I'm reading. It's like an old book. I got it from the Goodwill. So, 50 Shades of Grey. Never read it. I usually read a lot like, dear God, I hope I can edit that out. Otherwise, sorry about that if I can't. Um, anyways, otherwise I usually read like self-help books, but I'm like, let me just break it up some and just read like a love story or something. Usually when I break it up, I use like read a love story, which I did. Random books from the Goodwill. Oh shit, I thought I was gonna fall again. Let me just I don't get it. How do I'm not crazy. I'm not lazy. I don't think I'm comparing myself to people, but maybe I am. I live in a nice neighborhood, so I just kind of people watch. And it's like, people look so happy, and like, what am I missing? You know, it feels like, I mean, I know I'm missing something. I don't have my family, I don't have any friends. I don't even have like a man, like, and I'm not one of those girls that like I can get drunk and then I can like I have men that I can call once I'm drunk. You know, like I don't have that. I don't establish relationships in that manner. So I don't have like anybody, honestly. Not in a victimizing way. Not like even in a sad way, like, oh my God, I'm so sad. Like, it's not even that. Because, like, I chose this. I do have people that want to be around me and hang around me and stuff like that, but I don't want to hang around them. And it's not because I think I'm better or I think that they're worse. It's just that I just, sometimes I don't know. It's like I don't want to be, sometimes I get this, like, conviction. Like, what are you doing? Why are you with them? What are y'all doing? And then I think about it. I assess, like, okay, what were we doing? What are we doing? What does this person bring out of me? And it's usually not anything worth speaking about. So I kind of let everybody go. I noticed that I'm an entrepreneur, or try to be. And like, I've had this salon for like 5 years now. It's just me. It's just a suite. And I'm wanting to expand or something, but it's hard when I've had surrounded myself with people that don't want much out of life. And there's nothing wrong with not wanting much out of life. I'm not saying that, but I know that I want much, much more. And so when I'm having certain conversations with these people, is we not on the same. So then, yeah. I really do wish that I could have made better decisions though for my kiddos. I know it ain't my fault though. It's just my responsibility, but it's not my fault what I was born into. Not that I even was born into anything terrible, you know what I mean? I'm just saying, like, I didn't necessarily come from a family that like had set expectations for me for like success or love or even college. So I don't know, maybe I could have been a little farther. Could have did a little bit more with my life if I had thought of those things, you know. But this is not like a video, because sometimes I see the comments and it I feel like my comments tell me that I'm victimizing myself, or like I'm wanting a pity party. And that's not what I'm, no. It's not about having pity for myself, or it's not even necessarily about venting. It's just, I don't know. I feel like sometimes maybe these videos, there's people that might need to see it feeling like I feel, and you know. Anyway, I'm at the park. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna connect my rope to that tree and that tree, and then I'm gonna start tight roping. Got my headphones and I got everything that I could need. So I'm gonna get out. You wanna come with me? Too bad you're coming. Here goes nothing. I'll tell you one thing, you will be proud of me though, because I can actually walk the rope, like walk it. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking stoked by that. And it's good. It's good for your body. So that's why I like to do it. I like to do shit that's good for my body. I do. I like to enjoy life that way. I got some books. Just bring in some extra books. I'm not necessarily like, I don't know about that 50 Shades of Grey book. I mean, it's not that it's not a good book. It is a good book, but I mean, first of all, I don't like how it's kind of like flowing. Like I feel like when I read books, I like to almost imagine like if it was me or something. And some of the things, it's just not running smoothly enough, like in the book for me. Like I don't know, cause like for me personally, it takes me some time to even realize somebody's flirting with me or likes me. And in the beginning of the book, it's almost like I don't know. She's more in touch with, like, obviously she's more in touch with her feelings and her intuition, especially when it comes to men, than I am. So I think that's what's throwing me off. Is like I've read plenty of other like love stories and stuff like that, and it usually flows better. Like it makes, but this was kind of like moved. Like I don't know, it just wasn't flowing all the way right for me. Like I'm laughing because I'm thinking about the part where because I've never seen the movie, but I'm thinking about the part where he like kisses Christian, like kisses her kind of dramatically in the elevator for the first time. I mean, I was laughing and I was like all giggly like a little schoolgirl, but still at the same time I'm like, that's not realistic. That ain't how that be going, but okay. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Anyway, so I got y'all at the park with me. There's the tree. There's the other tree. And I'm gonna set up my slack line. So it only takes like 5 minutes. It's gonna probably take me a little bit longer because I'm holding my phone. But this is what I do. I just set out my yoga mat and towel first so that I could sit my things on there. And I'm gonna try and set this so that you could see what I'm doing too. So first I'm gonna try and prop my phone up here. See how long that stays propped up there. I got it on my purse strap. So I got this kit from Amazon, but it comes with like tree protectors. There's a long rope and then there's a shorter rope. I like to put this one away from my yoga mat. I'll explain later. Since I'm on this side, I'll start over here. But I'm gonna walk on this rope. So once I set it up, you guys will see. Okay? It's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm gonna walk on this so far. Well, kind of. I'm gonna climb only on the rope, but then the tree can help me a little bit. That's what I tell my clients. I'm like, this is tightrope. That's the best way to explain. Dude, this is gonna make me have to learn how to edit the videos because I know I was gone for a long time. But did you hear that? Those cute little kids. They saw me setting this up and they were interested. I had to talk to them, obviously. But now I gotta learn. Okay, I'm going down there because I'm doing this side. God, that's kind of high up, isn't it? I'm gonna bring that down because people watching today. All right, today I got a crowd, bro. I'm not used to having a crowd. Like, I mean, sometimes people say stuff, but not really. I'm already hot. Pits of sweating, ain't it? Anyway, so here's the thing. Let me try to sit it over here so you can see it. It's best if I go like this, but I know it's probably gonna disturb the video quality. So I just kind of stand up here. So then I just step on this, and then I just start walking it. And then people start watching me. God, do you hear them talking? So embarrassing. fast. I'm walking the rope. It's much easier than it looks. Yeah, it's fun. I usually do take off my shoes. So then you just gotta go like this. But it's hard. So then if I
don't want to bounce our feet like that.
you don't? Well, you gotta it's like building your core. So then when you get on here, I might have to hold your hand because it's gonna be hard.
I'm still a little.
Yeah, it's really wobbly, but it's
Just like a balance thing.
very true, very true. You guys wanna try?
You got a lot of helpers, huh?
Of course. Yeah, I got a lot of
You don't hold my hand while I do it?
Yeah, I have to hold your hand because I don't want you to fall.
I'm not.
You're not gonna fall? Okay.
I'm just
You ready? See it? Okay, I'm a, very good. Oh my gamut, you're doing so well. Very good. Look at you go. Wow. You want to bounce it a little bit? You can bounce a little bit. Okay, you're doing very good. Wow. Uh-oh, be careful. Wow, look at you go. You're so strong. I was a super duper strong. Good job. Really good job.
Can I try now by myself?
Well, if I were you, you should take off your shoes first.
Jenny, you should take off your shoes. Why would you do that with shoes on?
It's easier without the shoes on.
So you did not fall off.
Yeah.
You fell off because can't do it. Only kids.
Only kids, exactly. Now let me hold your hand just a little bit.
Or you just test
Wow, look at him. Oh my God, he's dancing. Be careful. Wow, you're brave. Wow, look at you go. Wow. Wow, look at you go. Be careful, be careful. See, you got to be careful. Very good. Okay, be careful. It's his turn. You don't want to mess him up. Very good. Look at you go.
Can I hold my hand this time again?
Of course I will. Just let him. You want to try it? Okay, she said she's going to pass. Very good job.
What? She thinks she... Are you going to do it though? Yes or no?
Look at you go.
Can I hold my hand do it again?
Of course. You going to go back? Okay, come on. Let's go back.
How could he do that without jumping off?
Exactly. He's pretty strong. Look at you go. Wow. Wow.
He has more energy than me. I have more energy than him.
Very good job.
That's why I work out twice a day.
That's so good. You got it? Oh, look at you. Wow. Woo, jumping, jumping.
Bing, bing, bing,
You got to be careful because it's his turn. Ooh, look at you jumping. Wow.
Don't hit my
Be
head.
careful, be careful. Because one time I fell off of this and then it left me a big bruise on my leg.
But
It did heal. It did heal.
But where did you get it?
On the back of this leg. Oh, you can't see it because of my pants. But it was pretty bad. I couldn't believe it. Look at you go, buddy.
Did you go to emergency room?
Look at you. Be careful. Be careful. Hi, cutie. Hi. Of course. They are so funny.
I'm sorry to disrupt you.
No, you're fine. I'm off for today. I was just coming to have some fun. I'm going to do real work.
You're not supposed to sit on it while you're supposed to.
Do you know her name? Did you ask? You want to ask?
My name is Sherry. What's yours? Grayson? Nice to meet you. And that's Jaden, right?
Jaden.
Yeah. Look at you go.
I
They're
can't
so
believe you could do this. How much core work is this?
Oh my God, it's all core. All core. I like it because it satiates both hemispheres of the brain. So you kind of like get all these dopamine hits.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so fun.
Very well found.
And like you, when you
Are
keep
you
doing, you
gonna do
actually will
it?
break a sweat.
Oh, I'm sure.
You break a
It's
sweat.
one of those things that like you don't realize how
How much?
much of your body you're using.
Good job.
What do you say to Sherry?
Thanks.
You're so
Ryan,
welcome.
did you ask if you could have a turn?
Of course you can.
And I actually have a plate.
Of course you can. Look at you go. Oh my gamut. You guys are good. You guys are so strong. Be careful. There you go. Look at you
Mom, that's
go.
what Jaden
Oh,
did.
easier without a dog.
It is. It is easier.
It's actually much easier.
Wow. You gonna go back now? Wow.
Jaden, do you have one of these?
Look at you
I feel
go.
like this is something your dad would have.
Look at you. Good job.
Now
You coming?
Everything.
Okay, come on.
This is stronger than I thought it
Oh,
would
it's way stronger. It's so strong.
So
It's
you
so
do
strong.
hair when you're not slacklining?
Yeah. and yoga and hiking, anything outside, any activities.
Ah!
Where's your salon?
Right here on 32nd Street in Indian School. It's just a little salon. Right.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just me in there.
I'm taking my socks off.
Bertha's? Are you on that side?
No, you know Ross?
Yeah.
It's next door to Ross.
Oh, okay.
It's in that same little
Got it.
parking lot. It's
I
salon
just work
boutique.
out in the gym right there.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that boxing gym.
It's different now. This
Oh,
house
okay.
owned it
Really
before.
good job.
I mean, let her go, right?
Do you want me to show you how to do it? I'll show you. And maybe you could do it, like, maybe you can just practice, like, just standing. Because at first I had to learn to just stand up here. It's really hard to stand at first. But I just put
Harder than your balance beam.
put all of your weight in one leg.
This is like a tightrope.
I say that all the time.
You're doing it good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't touch it. 'Cause don't touch the line, right?
I'm not.
Wow, she's good. Jaden, don't touch it. You heard what I said.
You can mess it up.
See?
This is like every time.
Good job.
Ryan, your friend's calling you.
You want to try? Okay, let me just help you up there. And then I won't let you go, but you'll see that you want somebody to hold you. See?
I'm just
So you're
touching.
gonna balance on one leg, honey.
Yeah, you got to put all your weight in one leg. Oh, my God. Look at you go. Oh, my gamut.
My little gymnast.
Wow. You got to get them one. It's only $50 on Amazon.
Ryan, you're doing great. I don't know if we have two trees. Oh, you know what we could do it over by.
Look at her go. Oh, my God.
I know where we could do
She's
it.
really good. Look at her. Wow.
Harder.
Wow. Look at you go. Wow.
She's moving to balance.
Yeah, because you got to practice. No, but I don't have to round it either. So now I just try here. Anywhere where there's two trees. Very good. Good job.
Oh, we could probably do it in the front yard.
That's
Yeah,
easy.
anywhere
Can
where
I
there's
try
two
now?
trees.
You can't do
And you
it
can even go
again.
farther, like the trees that have so much rope.
No. You guys, one turn. Come on. She didn't come here to give a lesson.
Great.
Ryan, your friend's been calling you.
Should I go after her?
She's so fun. I felt like that when I first did it. I was like, oh my God, I have to have my own. Of course.
Hey guys, we're gonna give her a couple more minutes and then we're gonna let her come and enjoy herself.
Okay, now are you going to turn? You're going to go sideways? You're going to stay this way? Okay, you want to stay like this. Okay.
Should I go now?
Look at you go. Wow. Wow.
Is that fun?
Isn't it so fun? I was once my yoga studio the other day and I saw like a family that had this one, but they had it way higher and they put like toys attached to it.
Mommy, what are you doing?
They had one of those and one of our old neighbors had that.
That's okay. Yeah,
And they had cool. Two. I've seen them with
Yeah.
like two. They had one above.
Yeah. Yeah, that one, I have that part too. I just never used it. I actually didn't need it. Thought I would.
You can do like monkey bar things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
They're so cool.
Look at you go. Wow.
You would like this, I bet, as your dad.
It's so fun. I mean, it's addictive. Like, I come out here all the time. Different parts. Like, and I keep it in the car. So if ever I'm like bored or something, I'm like, why not? It's so fun. You guys did so good. Yes. You ready?
Since you said you wanted turkey, that's all.
Are you gonna? Ooh. Now, are you going to? Oh, okay.
Watch out.
Look at you. Okay. I got you. Look at her. Wow. Put all your weight in one leg. There you go. Look at you.
The turkey part. The turkey part.
Wow. Look at her go. You okay? You guys are so welcome.
That was really sweet.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Of course. I know how the kiddos are. You can't tell kiddos no to me.
Do you see what she was doing, Ellie?
In gymnastics, you walk on that like balancing and going, can I try?
Of course you can.
I want to go after you, Ellie. Take your shoes off.
You want me to jump off? Now?
Here.
Oh my God, but I'm on a rope. I'm going to drown.
So
Oh no. Oh no. They obviously love this. Of course. It's only $50 on Amazon.
Yeah.
You want to get on? Uh-oh. You got to be careful.
Don't pull it too hard.
Now wait, hold my hand. There you go. Wow, look at you go. Oh my God. You're walking so fast. You're so good. Look at you go. That was like 10 seconds. Great job. Really good job.
No, right.
That was fun. Super fun.
They're only $50 on Amazon, and it comes with everything.
That's awesome.
Right?
Just look up slack line.
I really want to. Jump off the screen.
But I can, because I'm on the edge of the ship. Oh my God.
Take off our socks and put them in our shoes. Oh, have fun thinking. What? Oh, have fun thinking. Oh, good.
Stop. Great. Stop.
Okay, come on, Ryan.
Come on.
I kind of want to try by myself.
You want to try by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're going to be so brave.
I want to try by myself.
See?
We're going to go back and eat our snacks for the first get home.
Look at you go. Wow. And the rope shaking so bad.
Amazing.
I just may need a little help getting up.
Okay, I got you.
Wait, great. Put your shoes on. We're going to go.
Hey,
You've had enough
no.
turkey.
I want to do it by
Let her
myself.
go.
Great.
She wants to go by herself.
Ryan, shoes on. Let's go.
I want to try.
Great. You've already had your turn.
Wow. You're going fast?
Help me. But someone help me get out of this rope and I'm kind of stuck in
You're doing so good. Uh-oh. You got it?
Yeah. You were good. That was fun.
That was so cool. You guys did so good. Just so you know.
Need some help right here.
So welcome.
I
Now
can
you gotta give
help.
them a rope.
I know. Now we're not to buy one.
Yeah,
Although I'd rather have them doing this than some of the other crap I bought on
exactly,
Amazon.
exactly.
I really appreciate it.
Of course, no problem.
I'm on video.
Oh, is it? See?
She's so good.
Thank you. You guys are gonna do it one day. right, guys.
That was not supposed to be a part of the video, but it was. People like this thing. I do too. Maybe I can put you right here. Not 41 minutes. Let me see. I'm gonna try. Maybe if I start on the other end. Oh, okay. Yeah. Phone. Do not. I repeat. I'm doing it. I did it. I'm hot. Hot as hell.